modal verb should. The weather is hot and sunny. It's summer holidays. Do you like going to the beach in the summer holidays? You should go to the beach. It's a lot of fun. Or you should be careful with the sun. You should drink more water. Or you should be careful with the sun. You should go to the beach. We use should to give advice or make suggestions. Let's see some advice. You should put on sun cream. You should wear a hat and sunglasses. Look at the example. How many verbs are there in this sentence? Wear and should. Should is a modal verb. There are two rules about should that you need to remember. First, the modal verb should has only got one form. Look, it never changes. Second, modal verbs always go before other verbs. In the affirmative, we use should plus the main verb. You shouldn't forget the beach umbrella. Now look at the example. You shouldn't forget the beach umbrella. Shouldn't is the negative form of should. We use shouldn't to advise not to do something, usually because it is bad or the wrong thing to do. In the negative, we use shouldn't plus the main verb. You shouldn't sunbathe between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. We use should in questions when we want advice, a recommendation, or a suggestion. Should I go to the beach now? To ask questions with should, we use should before the subject. No, you shouldn't. Should he go to the doctor? Yes, he should. Should she go surfing today? Yes, she should. In the short answers, we use should, shouldn't, and not the main verb. We can also have the WH words like what before the modal verb. I have a sunburn. What should I do? You should apply a lotion or gel. Remember this.